Guys, welcome back. This is the Jazz Corner once again. It's Thursday, April 19th, and it's my evening session. I've had about 3 sessions today already, probably about 4 hours. So we're going to roll again, and the idea of this tape again is we're actually following the Golden Touch method of dice control, and we're going to be using a hardway set again, and that's all we're going to be using for 9 months. So the reason why we use the hardway set is because it's the most forgiving for the sevens, and we've got to control the dice, we've got to keep on axis with the hardway set, and if we can do that, then we can use any other set as long as we can keep it on axis. So that's why he wants you to use the hardway set. So that's all we're going to be using, the hardway set, and the objective is to see how good I can get at actually doing the dice control. So we're going to start a roll now, and then we'll mark it, and then we'll have another few words later. Okay, so here we go. First roll of the dice. Which is an 8, hooks on the 8. I'm going to mark each number with a chip on the numbers over there, so we'll see what we're tracking. Okay, now I'm not going to set the 5s up, I'm just going to do a hardway set. Could be 2s, 3s, 5s, whatever way it lands, as long as it's a hardway. Okay. That was a bad throw, hit the back wall first, about a 7 out. So, push down, so that wasn't very good. Okay, so it is what you get. We all make mistakes, and that's what the name of the game is right now. We're still learning, obviously. Three. Seven. We're still trying to get a number, a come out number. So I'll get rid of the 7s now, right? That's a 9, that's our point. Eight. Okay. I've been concentrating on a lot on my backspin and trying to keep the dice in the air together today, and trying to get them to land softly. So I've been concentrating on that quite a bit today. That's a 5. So you want to rotate the dice together in the air, and you don't want one ahead of the other. You want to try and keep them even as they're flying through the air. And start to get the hang of that a bit better now after a week and a half doing this. I've had some good runs today. I've had about 4 or 5 in the 20s. That's a 6. But I've also had a lot of early 7 outs too. So still obviously not convinced, you know, but I do feel like I'm getting quite consistent at getting a lot of numbers. An 11. That bounced off the back wall again. Dice went everywhere. There's a nice throw. 6. They stay together nicely in the air and off the back wall. So I've been working on my grip again too a lot, trying to keep my fingers even across the back of the dice, front of the dice, sorry. That one hit the back wall again, that was a 2. So I started early this morning at 7, did 2 hours, and wasn't that great, to be honest with you. Had a lot of quick 7 outs, had a couple of runs, but I got this session tonight's been a lot better. It's an 11. They landed right next to each other, which is what you want. Nine. Oh, 6, sorry. They landed right next to each other on the bounce back, which is good. So my runs tonight have been quite consistent actually. So hopefully we can keep it going here. There's a bad throw off the table. Hit the back wall, bounce right off the table. So that happens now and again. Oh, that's a 7 out. Okay, so how did we do? We got 110, 1-8, 3 6s, 1 5, 2 11s, 2 2s, and 1 3. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 passes. Okay, not too good. We never made the point. Puck comes off. Let's get another roll going here. So as I say, I've been trying to concentrate on my backspin and keeping the dice close together before they hit the back wall in the air, and seems to be helping me better today. It's at 8.8. Three. Too close to the back wall again. There's a 10. One got ahead of the other one then. In the 8. Eight. That's the point. The dice just flipped over, so that was an 8. Pucks off. So again, no whole 7 set. We're going with the hardway set on the come out roll. It's a 3. Seven. Still come out roll. It's a 4. Points 4. That wasn't a very good throw, but it was an 8. That's 3 8s so far. Okay, 7 out. 7 out. Hooks off. So we've got 1 10, 3 8s, and 2 3s. Not great, but okay. So as I say, it's still sporadic. We'll have one more pass for tonight, and then we'll go from there. See if we can get a better roll going here. They're nice and close together at my landing. Number 8. Dropping the dice here, trying to hold them very lightly. It's a 5. It's a 9. That one barely hit the back wall. So you want to be landing the dice around 7 inches from the back wall, 6 inches. Okay, it's a 7, another 7 out. Okay, not good. So that's 9, 8 and 5, 3 numbers and a 7 out. Okay, so, you know, I think that's all I'm going to shoot today. But just before I started this video, I just shot a 24 numbers, a 20 and 25. So, you know, it's still sporadic. I'm still 7 out after a few shots, quite a bit. I'm hitting a lot of hardways normally, so we'll go from there and then we'll call it a night. So keep safe, you know, keep indoors and do your part. Signing off from the Jazz Corner, and we'll see you later. Okay, bye.